How to replace the old muffler in your truck without welding and save few $100s. Keep watching, let's get started. This muffler needs to be replaced. As you can see, this huge rusted out hole and everything's just falling apart. Time to put a new one. It's pretty simple, and in this video I will show you all tools and everything what you need to know, all simple tricks how to get the job done and save the money. Let's get started. Okay, we have a sawzall with the metal cutting blade. This old reciprocating saw made by Makita will get the job done. Okay, let's make a reference mark where we're going to cut old muffler off and stay close to the muffler as possible. We want to save much pipe as we can. Okay, reference mark is there. This is replacement part. Came from the local automotive store, and as you can see, it will get connected to the original exhaust pipes. Okay, there's a walker and a part number. This is only one I could get for the truck. Okay, safety goggles, and let's start cutting. Cream and butter, so easy. Okay, old part removed, and let's pull it out, and we did pretty good job. Right, halfway through, old muffler removed, and as you can see, it's fall apart. And yeah, 20 years old, not too bad for it, and we did a pretty straight cut. That's what we want. Ford Motor Company muffler. And now time for new one. Okay, let's do the first fit, and as you can see, it fits, but we have to move forward and cut that hanger. And yeah, that will be our next step. And but it's getting close. Guys, if you have any questions, concerns, critics, put it down in the comment section below. Let's take a look at the back, and as you can see, those hangers are facing wrong way, but we'll get to that later. Alright, there's a rubber insulators and a hanger almost rusted out from the tailpipe. See, I just broke it off. Well, that's the time. Takes care of everything, and we need to replace it. Alright, let's do the cutting. Have my grinder ready. We'll cut that hanger off. I cut most of the welding seam. Now we'll switch to the grinding disc and make sure it's all nice and flat. I removed my rubber insulator. Okay, let's clean the edge. Make sure it's clean. Perfect. Same thing I'm going to do at the back. Exactly what we did on the front. And as you can see, this one's ready. Alright, let's remove the rubber insulator. I'm just spraying a little bit of penetrating oil. It helps to slide that rubber insulator on the hanger easily. Just wiggle it. There we go. No effort at all. Alright, I got my tailpipe ready for the muffler installation. Let's put a bungee cord to keep it up a bit. I will put more information down in the description, parts numbers and more. Check it out. Okay, the first fit, as you can see, we have to go forward, but we're very close, and it fits. And as you can see at the back on the muffler, those are metal hangers. They're facing the wrong way, but that's what we have. We have to bend them other direction. I have an angle reference mark how I want to bend, and let's just heat it up. As you can see, I have one already bent where I want, and let's get second one bent the same way. Yeah, and it will do the job. Okay, let's check our angles. Okay, they're in parallel that way and that direction. Good enough for me, and yeah, it will do it. Okay, let's put a little bit of grease on the mating surfaces, because we might need to put it back and remove it a few times to make the final adjustments. Rubber insulators, 20 years old, still good. The rubber is still soft and no any cracks, and I will reuse them. You can get new ones if you need it, but those Ford Motor Company ones were great. Good quality. Okay, it is close enough, as you can see. Pretty good, but it will need to go a little bit forward. I will spray a little bit of penetrating oil, will help me to slide those rubber insulators easier. Exhaust work is never fun, but you can make it a little bit easier, and if you know what you're doing. And yeah, let's put those two. This truck is 2000 Ford f350, single cab, short frame dualies, and as you can see on the front we're pretty good, but we'll slide it all forward with exhaust pipe, and at the back we're connected, and we'll go a little bit forward and it will align vertically. Alright, that's not too bad. As you can see, yeah, it's all in place pretty much. Okay, as you can see, gap is even between the C channel and the muffler, and that looks really good. I got my muffler to the desired spot where I want to have it. Alright, now we are going to put exhaust clamps. I'm applying a little bit of anti-seize compounds. For future disassembly it will be easier, and I will put it from the bottom up, and that way I won't catch anything on the ground. Right on. As you can see, fits. It's a 3-inch exhaust clamp for the mufflers, and yeah, I started those bolts evenly, and now I'm going to tie them with an impact. Same on the back. Pretty good. I started those nuts. Let's tie them a bit, and we have to go to the tailpipe and set the angle where we want to be. As you can see, we want to keep it straight, right? Perfect. Let's tie it up and all will be just fine, guys. If you like it, helpful, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Very appreciated that. And as you could see, it's not difficult. If I can do it, guys, you can do it and save a few $100s. Alright, let's fire it up a truck, and yeah, then you go and check for any exhaust leaks. You shouldn't have any. And outside is freezing cold, minus 10 degrees Celsius, and it was fun to get that muffler replaced, but we got it. Thank you so much for your time, appreciate it, and see you soon. Take care, bye bye.